Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Sharepoint after signing in. Choose the correct site and open the document library where the file lives. Once located, upload if needed and select the file. This initiates sharing controls. Make sure you understand your current permission level because owners can change access while viewers cannot. Once done, click the ellipsis or right-click the file to reveal the share option. This is the first actionable step that moves you from preparation into configuring access. After choosing Share, decide how broad the link should be. Anyone allows external access. People in org limits to your tenant, specific people targets named users. Then pick can edit or can view depending on whether you want changes allowed. If security matters, set an expiration date or require a password. These limit long-term exposure. Add a concise message explaining purpose and click send to email recipients or copy link to paste elsewhere. Make sure to document who receives the link for later audit. Once the link is distributed, verify access by asking a recipient to open the file or using Manage Access to test links. If you find the link was too permissive, change it to specific people or stop sharing to revoke access immediately. For collaborative files, review version history to restore content if needed, and use audit logs to track who accessed the file. If someone reports they can't open it, clear browser cache or try an incognito window as a quick troubleshooting step. This often resolves permission caching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.